What are issues with iOS 16.4? iOS 16 by a number of issues since its release. Some of the most common problems include, battery drain, many users have reported that their battery life has significantly decreased since updating to iOS 16.4. Bluetooth issues, some users have reported that their Bluetooth devices are no longer connecting or staying connected to their iPhones. Wi-Fi issues, some users have reported that their Wi-Fi connections are unstable or dropping out. App Store issues, some users have reported that they are unable to download or update apps from the App Store. CarPlay issues, some users have reported that CarPlay is not working properly after updating to iOS 16.4. Lockups, freezes, and crashes, some users have reported that their iPhones are locking up, freezing, or crashing after updating to iOS 16.4. Apple has acknowledged some of these issues and is working on fixes. In the meantime, there are a few things you can try to troubleshoot the problems you are experiencing. Restart your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone can often fix minor software issues. Reset your network settings. Resetting your network settings can sometimes fix Bluetooth and Wi-Fi issues. Restore your iPhone from a backup. If you are still experiencing problems after restarting and resetting your network settings, you can try restoring your iPhone from a backup. This will erase your iPhone and restore it to the state it was in when you last backed it up. If you are still having problems after restoring your iPhone from a backup, you can contact Apple support for help. There are a few potential causes of battery drain in iOS 16.4. A new feature or bug in iOS 16.4 could be causing your battery to drain faster. Apple is constantly working on new features and bug fixes, and it's possible that one of these changes could be causing your battery to drain faster. If you're experiencing battery drain after updating to iOS 16.4, you can check Apple's support website to see if there are any known issues with your device. An app you're using could be draining your battery. If you're experiencing battery drain after installing a new app, try uninstalling the app to see if that fixes the problem. You can also check the app's reviews in the App Store to see if other users are reporting battery drain issues. Your battery could be old or damaged. If your battery is old or damaged, it may not hold a charge as well as it used to. If you think your battery may be the problem, you can take your iPhone to an Apple store or an authorized Apple service provider to have it checked. Your iPhone settings could be causing battery drain. There are a few settings on your iPhone that can affect battery life. For example, if you have location services turned on, your iPhone will constantly be using battery power to track your location. You can check your iPhone settings to see if there are any settings that you can adjust to improve battery life. You could be using your iPhone in a way that drains the battery. If you're using your iPhone in a way that requires a lot of power, such as playing games or watching videos, your battery will drain faster. If you want to improve battery life, you can try to reduce the amount of time you spend using your iPhone in these ways. 2. There are a few potential causes of Bluetooth issues in iOS 16.4. A new feature or bug in iOS 16.4 could be causing Bluetooth issues. Apple is constantly working on new features and bug fixes, and it's possible that one of these changes could be causing Bluetooth issues. If you're experiencing Bluetooth issues after updating to iOS 16.4, you can check Apple's support website to see if there are any known issues with your device. A Bluetooth device you're using could be incompatible with iOS 16.4. If you're experiencing Bluetooth issues after updating to iOS 16.4, try connecting to a different Bluetooth device to see if the problem persists. If it doesn't, the Bluetooth device you were originally trying to connect to may not be compatible with iOS 16.4. Your iPhone's Bluetooth settings could be causing issues. There are a few settings on your iPhone that can affect Bluetooth connectivity. For example, if you have Bluetooth turned off, your iPhone will not be able to connect to Bluetooth devices. You can check your iPhone settings to see if there are any settings that you can adjust to improve Bluetooth connectivity. Your iPhone software could be corrupted. If your iPhone software is corrupted, it could cause a variety of problems, including Bluetooth issues. If you think your iPhone software may be corrupted, you can try restoring your iPhone to factory settings. If you're still having problems after trying these solutions, you can contact Apple support for help.